Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use a jack stand and a jack tower. So, if you're on the side of the road, these normally aren't really expensive. Like there's smaller ones that are like 20-30 bucks. This one is a little more because it's more like for a professional, type of like for a mechanic. And the way to use it is, you just twist right in order to add pressure in the cylinder, and it'll go up for you to be able to lift the car, to change the tire, or work under it. And to release the pressure is to the left side. And you can release it all, and if you release it all, it'll go faster. Release it slowly, it'll lower the car slowly, which I recommend. Where I like to put the floor jack is down here. There is this lip, this one, where you could put like a smaller jack that can't maybe reach all the way back here, but I like to put it here on the chassis. It's a much thicker metal section of the vehicle and it's much more safer personally. I like to put it there, and I recommend putting it there. However, I don't recommend just putting the floor jack and then working under the car. That's kind of a little unsafe, so I recommend also using a jack stand. They're also not very expensive, like some 20-30 bucks, some a little more depending on the make and brand, right? And these are pretty easy too. You just lift them up like that and these little teeth will catch on, and it'll carry the weight of the car. And to release it, you just lift this up and it'll go down. Release it once you have it lift up with the floor jack, and then you can release this. It's a sort of, it's got its steps, but other than that, if you guys, are in a bit of trouble and you don't know how to use these items, well, that's pretty much the basic to it, and I hope this helps. Thank you.